Stop trying to make her like you. Seriously. The more you try to convince a girl, the more you prove that you aren't on her level. Attraction isn't a choice she makes. It's a shadow that follows a man who doesn't need her. Today, I'm giving you 5 triggers to flip the script. If she's cold right now, these steps will change everything. Let's go. Most guys view social dynamics as an automatic machine. They assume that if someone shows zero interest initially, the doors are permanently shut. They treat a cold response as a final, unchangeable verdict. But human psychology doesn't work that way. The human mind is never truly static. Someone remains cold to you only as long as your behavior remains entirely predictable to them. Until you break that predictability, you cannot alter their perception. I see thousands of guys double down the moment they face resistance. They try harder, buy gifts, and put on a perfect performance, only to collapse completely when it doesn't work. On the flip side, men who actually understand behavioral psychology never react to a temporary mood. They remain entirely anchored in their own lifestyle and rules, and that exact emotional stability forces the other person to re-evaluate their stance. In this video, we are breaking down the exact mechanism that converts cold indifference into high curiosity. But before we hit point number 1, ask yourself this: are you actually strong enough to drop your old habits? Because this truth is going to challenge your ego. Listen carefully. Point number 1. Kill the fanboy energy. Most guys treat a girl they like a celebrity. They like every post and agree with everything she says. You've become a fan. And remember, celebrities don't date their fans. They just wave at them. The moment you provide unearned validation and nod along to every sentence she utters, you are subconsciously surrendering your frame. You are putting her on a pedestal while dropping yourself to the floor, and attraction cannot breathe in an imbalanced environment. High-value individuals never crave constant agreement. They possess a distinct perspective, have their own non-negotiable boundaries, and never fish for validation in a conversation. If you want her genuine attention, stop acting like a spectator in her life. Keep your thoughts original. If you disagree with something, express your point without fearing her reaction, and stop adjusting your standards to fit her mood. The moment you stop being a follower and show that you have an independent mind, real respect begins. Hold on right there. If you think this first adjustment is tough, this next concept is going to completely restructure the way you communicate from now on. Keep your focus right here. Point number 2, the platonic default. Now, pay attention, because this next point is a total game changer. Whenever you interact with someone while carrying a hidden romantic agenda, their subconscious instantly goes on high alert. They look for the unspoken expectation behind every text or glance, which naturally causes them to tighten their boundaries. As long as that psychological defense system is active, nothing you say or do will feel authentic to her. To bypass this entire defense mechanism, you must implement the platonic default. You need to completely drain the romantic pressure from the room. Interact with her with the exact same casual, unbothered energy you would use with a childhood friend or a distant cousin. Zero hidden tension, just pure neutral ground. You cannot break a concrete wall by crashing into it. You get past it by making her feel like the wall isn't even necessary anymore. Once she realizes you aren't chasing her validation like every other guy, her guard will drop, and she will feel entirely comfortable letting you into her social circle. But neutralizing the boundary is only the setup. The most critical mistake happens when guys are physically in the same room and still look desperate for attention. That's where you need a complete strategic shift. Point number 3, the triangular attention shift. If a girl has already taken your interest for granted, she expects your eyes to be glued to her the moment she walks in. She anticipates that you will panic when she goes silent, and she uses that distance to test your emotional baseline. You need to break this loop immediately. Honestly, I used this exact point back in my school life, and let me tell you, it is incredibly effective. Whenever you find yourself in a shared social environment or group gathering where she is present, stop making her the center of your universe. Divert your focus completely. Connect genuinely with the other people in the room, share your humor, and invest your energy anywhere except on her. The moment you stop treating her like a prize, she starts treating you like a winner. The psychological contrast between these two approaches is massive. An average guy constantly checks for a nod of approval, while a grounded man preserves his energy and places it only where it is valued. When you completely bypass her presence while lighting up the rest of the room with your vibe, her ego will take notice. She won't understand how the guy who used to chase her is suddenly so detached, and that exact confusion triggers intense curiosity. Now, the questions are spinning in her mind, but how do you get her to actively invest effort without making a direct move? Pay close attention to this next subtle trigger. Point number 4. Request a micro-favor. Most mainstream relationship advice tells you to win someone over by performing favors or being available at their beck and call. But high-level behavioral psychology proves the exact opposite. Make her do something for you. Your time and your focus are high-value resources. Do not hand them out like free samples. A person only builds a genuine psychological attachment to you when they invest their own cognitive effort and time into you. Start by introducing a very low-stakes, effortless request. Ask for her brief input on something minor like, "I'm editing a quick professional format. Does this phrase sound right to you?" Or, "Give me a fast choice. Which of these two designs looks cleaner?" The moment she executes a minor task for you, her subconscious hits a rationalization loop. "I'm spending my time to help this person, which means I respect their presence and value their perspective." A man who is always serving gets ignored. A man who operates with natural authority gets respected. This bridges the cold gap seamlessly, without a single ounce of awkwardness. But do not get comfortable just because the conversation is moving. If your daily behavior becomes a fixed routine, the mystery will vanish within a week. You must master this final layer. Point number 5. The contrast protocol. Attraction can never survive on a flat, linear baseline. If your response pattern is completely identical and predictable day after day, meaning you always text at the exact same hour or display the exact same high energy, your impact drops to 0. The moment someone feels 100% certain that your emotions are permanent and unconditional, their subconscious stops trying. The human mind inherently protects and values whatever feels scarce. Whatever is available by default gets pushed to the back of the priority list. This is why you must introduce the principle of contrast to keep a healthy element of uncertainty alive. On some days when you interact, be completely charismatic, deeply engaging, and highly energetic. But on the next interaction, switch your framework. Be entirely polite, disciplined, but completely neutral and slightly reserved. Do not be rude, simply be detached. If you are an open book, she'll read you once and put you back on the shelf. When your emotional energy shifts unpredictably, her brain is forced to spend its free hours solving the puzzle. She will sit at home wondering, "Everything was so engaging yesterday. Why is he so quiet today?" The moment she starts dedicating her private time to decoding your behavior, the power dynamic shifts completely into your hands. Attraction is a game of who cares less. The day you genuinely accept the reality that another person's temporary mood cannot dictate your emotional state, your body language will automatically project an entirely different level of weight and authority. You will stop running out of fear, and that absolute self-containment is the most magnetic quality a man can possess. Yet, even after executing all of this perfectly, there is one massive tactical error guys commit the exact moment a girl finally reaches out first. If you mismanage that tiny window of communication, you will undo all your progress and slide straight back to 0. And if you found this video valuable and genuinely helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.